IFPC Business Insurance Finland app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Business Insurance Finland app is designed to simplify business insurance management. Many assume it's only a policy viewer, but the app actually allows claim submission, premium tracking, and real-time coverage updates. On the pros side, the app provides full access to all policy documents including liability, property, and professional insurance. Filing claims is quick and easy. You can upload photos, receipts, and invoices directly from your phone. Premium tracking is organized, with reminders and a full payment history. Push notifications alert you to claim progress, policy changes, and renewal dates. Multi-policy support makes it ideal for businesses managing multiple insurance plans. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, requiring an internet connection for most features. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or large files. Advanced analytics or risk assessment tools are not included, which could help businesses optimize coverage and manage costs more strategically. In conclusion, the IFPC Business Insurance Finland app is a practical and reliable solution for business owners. While it lacks advanced analytics, it excels at claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, providing clarity, convenience, and peace of mind.